Jersey Sports Zone's coverage of South River is brought to you by Campesino Restaurant. Let's wrap things up in the Greater Middlesex Conference Blue Division. Spotswood taking on South River. Spotswood, the three-time defending champs in the Blue Division. But the Rams make a statement early. This is Michael DeSantis to Travis Thomas. And get ready for a big game for Travis Thomas. And then it's Trenton Belitsky who scampers his way across the goal line for the first score of the day. Belitsky is in the zone. Great surge there. The extra point blocked by Salim Narula. So it's 6-0 South River in the first. The Chargers answer in the second. Shea Abato takes the handoff, breaks upfield, jukes a tackler. He's in the zone, 28 yards. Spotswood takes a 7-6 lead. But then the dynamic duo of DeSantis and Thomas take over. This is awesome. Go and get it. Travis Thomas for 65 yards. The first of 3 touchdown catches on the day. The Rams go for 2. And DeSantis finds a wide open Thomas in the back of the end zone to make it 14-7 South River. And they weren't done there. How about 58 yards? Thomas just leaves him in the dust. He has got some afterburners. At the half, 21-7 South River. Third quarter, it's DeSantis and Thomas again. 33 yards, 28-7. Meanwhile, Spotswood trying to get something going on offense. Eddie Lopez incomplete. So Spotswood's got to give the ball back. And on fourth down, on the punt, Travis Thomas can do it on special teams as well. Oh my. Travis Thomas, have yourself a day. He's going to the house. 73 yards. So let's recap. 3 touchdown catches, 73-yard punt return, an interception, and a 2-point conversion. My goodness. That was one heck of a game for Travis Thomas. 34-7 is your final. Michael DeSantis also had some impressive numbers, throwing for 281 yards and 4 touchdowns. And a special thanks to Campesino Restaurant in South River for sponsoring our Rams coverage all year long. If you're a South River fan and you enjoyed these highlights, head over to Campesino, grab a great meal, and say thanks for being a part of the Jersey Sports Zone family. South River opens up on the road with an impressive 34-7 win.